Can Nature Clean Natural Multi-Surface Cleaner remove bacteria from my home? I tested it, let's find out. Today's video is a viewer request. My viewer Marjorie mailed me this bottle of Nature Clean to see how well it removes bacteria from around my home. Now in order to test to see how well it does remove bacteria, what I'm going to do is take a petri dish just like this guy here and label them A, B, and C. Then I'm going to take some sterile swabs and I'm going to swab various areas around my home, such as my kitchen sink drain, bathroom sink, and toilet rim, and I'll place those samples in the section labeled B for before. Then I'm going to clean according to the directions on the Nature Clean, swab the areas again, and place that sample in the section labeled A for after. C is just a contamination control for myself. Let's read about this Nature Clean multi-surface spray. So right in the front, it says Nature Clean 99% natural multi-surface cleaner, and it's in lemon verbena scent. It also says here, no toxic fumes. Let's read the back. Let's see, I'm not seeing really quickly here anywhere that it claims to remove bacteria, but since Marjorie mailed this to me and asked me to test it, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's take a look and see. It says in the back, 99% naturally derived ingredients from plants and minerals. That's nice. It says for use on kitchen and bathroom tiles, countertops, stovetops, sinks, appliances, microwaves, and ovens, pots, pans, barbecue grills, and more. Okay, now let's read the directions for use, which is twist the nozzle, spray onto surface, then wipe clean with a dry cloth. No rinsing required. Test first in a hidden area. All right. This is very basic. There's nothing huge or crazy about this cleaner. It makes no claims at all to be able to remove bacteria, but we're going to test it for Marjorie. I want to point out on the back, it does say it's cruelty-free and vegan. It's made by really nice Canadians. Everything is written in English and also in French on this bottle. Let's see how well Nature Clean Multi-Surface Cleaner removes bacteria, even though it makes no claims to be able to do so, from my home. Now for some results. The kitchen sink. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section we can see a visible decrease in bacteria. The kitchen sink drain. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section almost all of it's gone. I'm just seeing 2 bacterial colonies. The bathroom sink. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section we can see a visible decrease in bacteria. The toilet rim. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section, I'm not seeing any bacterial growth at all. If you're interested in seeing how well paper towels remove bacteria, I'll link that video below. So overall, Nature Clean did a good job at decreasing or removing all the bacteria in the surfaces that I tested in my home. We got some mixed results. In some cases, it was able just to decrease the bacteria. In others, it was able to remove it almost perfectly. So since this product does not make any claims to be able to be a sanitizer or a disinfectant, it's just a cleaner, I think it does a really good job at removing bacteria. But my testing doesn't show a lot of pathogenic bacteria or even viruses. So while Nature Clean as a cleaner seems to reduce environmental bacteria around my home, I cannot speak for how well it removes viruses or even pathogenic bacteria. But for considering it's a cleaner, it did a really, really good job. While using this around my home during my testing, I did notice it does a really good job at removing dirt and grime. I was really impressed with its ability to clean up that bathroom sink that was really, really messy, really well. So I do think it is a good cleaner. Let's talk about the scent. This scent is lemon verbena. This is a very, very pleasant scent. It did not bother me at all while I was cleaning and spraying with it. It doesn't linger very long. You most certainly smell it when you're spraying and wiping, but it doesn't linger. It's not super strong, but it is a really beautiful, nice citrusy scent. I do want people to know who live in the United States that after Marjorie had this mailed to me, UPS sent me a separate bill for $10 for customs for this package. So I don't know if that's because of this particular product coming into the US or what. But I did get a bill from UPS from customs for $10 for importing this. So thank you, Marjorie, for mailing me the Nature Clean and giving me the opportunity to test it. I think it is a very good cleaner that happens to have some nice side effects of removing bacteria. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, have yourselves a great day.